Ever wondered why some people achieve their goals while others struggle? Atomic Habits by James Clear unveils the tiny changes that spark remarkable results in our lives. The journey begins with the compound effect of small habits. Each habit, no matter how small, is like a domino triggering subsequent actions. Clear illustrates how these tiny routines accumulate into significant life changes, encouraging us to start small but think big. James Clear introduces the 1% improvement rule, the idea that enhancing an aspect of your life by just 1% daily leads to significant growth over time. This principle demonstrates the power of incremental progress. Identity shapes our habits. Clear advises starting with who we want to be, rather than what we want to do. This shift from outcome-based to identity-based habits encourages behaviors that resonate deeply with our personal identity and values. Clear's 4 laws of behavior change are a blueprint for habit formation. Make it obvious. Make it attractive. Make it easy. Make it satisfying. He dives deep into how we can apply these laws to create lasting habits that align with our goals. Every habit journey faces obstacles. Clear presents strategies like habit stacking and redesigning our environment to tackle these challenges. He emphasizes the importance of overcoming these barriers to make our habits stick. In Atomic Habits, the role of community is highlighted as pivotal. By surrounding ourselves with people who embody the habits we aspire to, we leverage social influence to reinforce our own habit changes. Long-term sustainability is crucial. Clear focuses on the need for consistency in habit maintenance. He explains that sustained habits, even if small, have a more profound impact than short bursts of intense effort. Transforming bad habits is a key theme. Clear teaches us to recognize the cues of bad habits and how to effectively replace them with positive ones, reshaping our daily routines towards healthier and more productive outcomes. Key takeaway 1. Small changes yield big results. Focus on 1% improvements. Key takeaway 2. Your habits shape your identity. Prioritize habits that resonate with who you want to be. Atomic Habits is more than a book. It's a blueprint for life transformation. James Clear masterfully guides us through the art of habit change, showing that the smallest habits, when consistently nurtured, can lead to monumental changes in our lives.